Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for AAVE. Let's dive in. I highly recommend you not skip the posts on Telegram channel, on TradingView ideas, video on YouTube, because maybe you'll find out some valuable information. So here, I made 3 posts about AAVE with main ideas for accumulation distribution zones. And here was a main idea in May 2022. Here's the updates, best time for accumulation zone 23 and target 170. Because here, last idea, it was here. I mark it, we can hit this target. How it playing out? Here, we tested this block. Why exactly this block? So we can find out. Here was an order flow. Usually when you got some order flow, bearish or bullish, now we got a bullish order flow here. Soon later we can liquidate all these guys. So basically all these targets are done. This is a monthly gap. So we traded here in buy level. I mark it, this is buy level. It's on Binance, October, November 2020. And we formed the gap, this one gap and this one monthly gap. So this is a bullish one, this is a bearish one. Why it's bullish? If we drop, because it's a good time to buy, So this was a test of this block, almost tested 50% of this range, I waited the correction to 44, 45, but we didn't see this correction so low. We just hold the line. So every single time when we see this drop, someone accumulate AAVE a lot. And I marked the first block where we can see the resistance. And if you zoom out like this one, you can find out. So you can use a FIB, for example. This is a monthly gap, this one. So if you use the FIB, you can find out we test here exactly 50% of this range. Here 129.40 we tested, and the highest point was 129.88 cents. So this basically zone already done, so we can delete it. Of course we can see the full fill, it's 137.90. Now would be good to see the small pullback. So absolutely everything's still relevant for AAVE. Of course we got now like an order flow here, like a bullish one. So you can tell me we can see something like this one and then drop it down to test this block again. Of course we have this chance, but it's not necessary, so we have to drop it now. Maybe we'll come back to this zone later after a few years. So you can zoom out on a weekly time frame and you can find out here. We was in this zone in November 2020 and we came into this zone again only after 2 years. June, and here is a November 2022. After 2 years, the same story. Let me show you the 0.5 level by FIB. The same story can be this year. So I marked the potential targets where we can see the first we already closed the monthly gap. So 171, it's only 0 level for AAVE. So you have to understand it. This one is going to be the next one to sweep this high. 259, around 23 level by FIB, and then this high. Can we go much higher than the previous all-time high? I don't know. Depends of timing. Depends of timing and in the macro and geopolitics in the world. Because maybe if we'll see some not so crazy euphoria on the market in 2024, 2025, the altcoins can move like this one and then drop it down in the next bear market. And only in 2028, 2029, start forming the like a global weekly double bottom or even a monthly double bottom and going to the main targets. But the local conservative price targets, first one, this one, 171. Next one, it's sweep this liquidity, 289. And this block is okay to fix some profit, to fix some position. So what to do if you miss the ride now? Like usual, it's only up to you, up to your own risk, because if you need the money for a living, for example, tomorrow or next month, no makes sense to jump in coin now and invest money because you're waiting some quick gains, So look, locally, yes, we still have a room for pump 40%. So yes, it's more than okay. But at the same time, we can start forming the channel. We got this. Like a trend line now, this one. We can extend it, for example. extend right, make it like a line. So we can draw the trend line like this one, for example. And we can see the pullback down to sweep even these lows, retest 18 level by FIB, and climb it up higher. But of course, everything depends on Bitcoin dominance. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, I think we're still more bullish than bearish, because I don't think so we will capitulate and forming something like this one. If we will, I will buy easily at 44. At 44 to sweep this low, I will buy easily AAVE. Now I'm not touching this coin, you know. For investment, for long term, this block was just amazing time for accumulation from May 2022 till October 2023. Over than, I guess, 1 year. Yes. So now the next step is here. That's why if you're ready to wait the main targets for AAVE at least here, so 478, yes, even with this current price, it's more than okay to buy 300% profit on a spot. It will be more than okay. If, for example, you buy in here and the price dropped to this block, you know, you can buy them back. Your average entry will be around 82. That's why now it's only about your risk management. You know, on a weekly time frame, I don't like we are in the distribution zone on ADZ. On a monthly, we just start climbing up. That's why globally, I really believe that AAVE will show the good gains. Because, yes, we just early on ADZ, on direction, just lay down on the bottom, you know. So, yes, we still have insane potential. Even 300 or even 975. 700% profit. It's more than real to see these numbers, you know. So, this is what about ADZ direction? No signal to sell or sold, like you can see. Market mood, money power. Here. Depression zone, depression zone, depression zone. Depression zone was here. Now we are in kind of trill zone after, here, after this move, 155. But come on, a lot of altcoins already did over than 500% gains or even bigger gains. So yes, we can see something like this one and then retest the $82 again. Yes, it's going to be pretty hard drop. So it can be like 50% drop, but I don't think so. We'll see this now because a lot of time we spend here in accumulation stage. So you know, yes, we can see here the whales fixed some profit. It's more than okay. Here was a MACD warranty. Time to buy. So all this time period from 82, 100 till $50, it's more than okay for accumulation. Zones where we will see the next targets when the whales can fix profit, I showed you. That's why you have to make a decision. It's okay for you to buy now if you want to wait this target for profit. If you don't have any problem with the timing, you know, trade on here. It was a good time to sell, then sell, and recommendation close position to buy back. So no new signal to sell or sold. So everything personally for me looks good. Time to buy will be at a test $82 or at 44. This will be the best zones to buy AAVE more. And the last indicator is take profit. Based on take profit, we just test and try going over then exit line. So would be good to see the continuation like this one to this block, then retest this line. And if we hold, for example, this line, it will be the like a sign for us. You can open the chart, for example, sold. So every single time when the people see the pump, they open the short position and they get wrecked. So we can see the continuation. If we'll see something like this one, let me show you. If we'll see something like this one, drop, reject, and drop it here, yes, it can be the head and shoulder, you know, pattern, and we can retest the buy line. But anyway, buy line till that time will be around $82. So guys, all this block is more than okay for accumulation, for long term, you know. So for AAVE, absolutely still relevant because we didn't see the crazy altcoin season. 150%, it's not some crazy gains, you know, for altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance still over 50%. To see the massive altcoin season, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance in this block. Let me show you this one. This is going to be the altcoin season, what everybody dreaming for. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about AAVE. Do you hold this coin in your portfolio or not? If you would like to trade with my custom ink set or I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.